Hi Shankar.
Hi, sir.
What happened? Why are you dull?
So I'm preparing SSC exam, sir. It is last year syllabus, so much of syllabus is there. I'm getting very tension, sir.
I am here. You don't fear because in our Gauri Smart channel for SSC exam, each and every topic will be covered. Mathematics, science, social, GK. Each and every topic will be covered, and also grand test also will be covered. So you don't get tension. Understand?
Really, sir?
Yes.
Oh, hooray! Thank you,
Okay.
sir. Thank
All
you.
the
Thank
best
you.
for your exam.
So all of you like this Gauri Smart channel and subscribe this Gauri Smart channel. Thank you.
Hi friends. I'm Gauri Shankar. You are watching Gauri Smart channel. Today we are discussing about linear equations in one variable. So which is most very important chapter for all classes, especially for 8th class. So it's most very important chapter. So it is connecting to all classes. Now this lesson definitely you will have two questions in your SSV exam. In NMMS also 2 or more questions will be given in the NMMS exam. So now don't wait for the lesson. Let us start. So before going to start the lesson, so give me one like. So variable. So what is variable? See here, variable means it is a symbol. It is a symbol. For example, I'm taking, my name is Z. So I'm taking Z. So my name is Gauri. So I'm taking Z. This Z is having value. If I assign a value, now see here, I'm taking G is as 7. G is as 7. So somebody will take G as 10. Means same symbol. So we are getting so many values. So all of you know very well, we know very well X. So X is equal to 12. So sometimes if I do X is equal to 15, sometimes if I do X is equal to 19. So means a symbol which is changing its value, which is varying its value is called variable. So all English alphabets are variables because those are the symbols, those values will be changing. So if I keep any number, that number will take. So that's what. So a symbol which is changing its value is called variable. A symbol which is changing its value is called variable. Or a symbol which is varying its value, is called variable. In English, all alphabets are variable. But sometimes if you specify any alphabet as a constant, it will be treated as constant. For example, in physics, so E is equal to mc square. So like that some equations, so we'll say any alphabet is constant. So in generally K is a constant. So many in physical theorems or physics, so we are treating K as a constant. So if you specify, so then that will be constant. Otherwise it is variable only. It is variable only. Now constant. A symbol which has fixed value, is called constant. For example, so this is 5. This is a symbol. So if I see that symbol, I can say 5. If anybody, if you ask, they will also say 5. In any country, they will also say 5. The language is, the pronunciation is different, but the value is same. The value is same. So a symbol which has fixed value, is called constant. All numbers are constants. All numbers are constant. So if you specify any letter, that will be constant. Next, we are going to learn term. So what is term? Variable, if you take alone, it is a term. Constant alone, if you take, it is a term. The combination of this both, the combination of variable and constant is also term, but with fundamental operations only two, that is multiplication and division. For example, I am taking this 5 and this x. So this 5x is a term. This x by 5 is a term, or 5 by x is a term, or 5 only is a term, or x only is a term. So if you take x only, variable only means that is also term, constant only, that is also term. The combination of these two with the fundamental operations only two, that is multiplication and division. So multiplication and division, those are also called as terms. So term means what? Variable alone or constant alone, or the combination of both with fundamental operations, multiplications and division. With fundamental operation, multiplication, division are called term. Next, degree of a term. Degree of a term. Now see here. See, this is a one term. This is one term. How can I say degree of this term and how can I say degree of this term? Let us see here. So, here x's are 2 and y's are 3. So, total terms are 5. Means the degree of this term is 5. Here x's are 3 and y's are 5 and z's are 2. So, 3 plus 5, 8, 8 plus 2, 10. So, this degree is 10. This degree is 10. Now, how can we define term? Degree of a term means the power of the variables which are present in a term. The sum of the powers of a variables. The sum of the powers of a variables which are present in a term is called degree of a term. Is called degree of a term. The sum of the powers of variables which are present in a term is called degree of the term. See here, the sum of the powers of a terms which are present in a term is called degree of a term. Now I will write one more. X, Y, Z. What is the degree? That is 3. Because X is 1, Y is 1, Z is 1. So, the power. So, 1 plus 1 plus 1. So, total 3. So, the sum of the powers of variables which are present in a term is called degree of the term. Next. Expression. Expression. Now, I am looking very seriously. Now, I am laughing. Now, I am sad. So, my expressions are changing. So, expressions is nothing but it is also a symbol. A symbol which expresses something. A symbol which expresses something is called an expression. For example, so it is a symbol. So, this symbol is indicating for us. This symbol expresses for us happiness. This is a happiness. This is a sadness. This is sadness. This is a symbol which is representing 5. This is a symbol plus. This is symbol minus. This is symbol into. This is symbol division. So like that. By seeing any symbol, if you express something, then that is called an expression. That is called an expression. So expressions are of two types. Expressions are of two types. One is numerical expression. Numerical expression. See here, if I read this one, 1 plus 5 minus 3. So means what this is? Numerical expression. The expression which is having only numbers in it with fundamental operation, that is called numerical expression. The expression which is having only numbers or only numerals in it with fundamental operations plus or minus or into division. Those are called numerical expressions. X plus Y plus Z. The expression which is having variables in it, the expression which is having variables in it, that is called variable expression. That is called variable expression. If an expression which is having variables and numbers, then that will be having a name, that is algebraic expression. Algebraic expression. Let us see here. So 5x plus 3y minus 7. This is called algebraic expression. Means this is term, this is term, this is also term we can say. So the sum or difference of two or more variables. The sum or difference of two or more variables with fundamental operations is called algebraic expression. Is called algebraic expression. The sum or difference of two or more variables with fundamental operations is called algebraic expression. Simply we can say algebra. Now, degree of an expression. Degree of an algebraic expression. See here, one algebra I will write, one expression I will write. 5x cube plus 7y to the power of 5 minus 3z plus 9. So this is the algebraic expression we can say. How can we say the degree of this algebraic expression? How can we say? Means the highest degree of a term. The highest degree of a term which is present in algebraic expression is called degree of algebraic expression. See here, 5x cube, this degree is 3. 7y to the power of 5, this degree is 5. 3z, this degree is 1. 9, there is no variables, so 0. So here, out of all 3, 5, 1, 0, 5 is the highest degree of a term. So the algebraic expression degree is 5. So 5 is the degree of this algebraic expression. The highest degree of a term, is called degree of algebraic expression. Degree of algebraic expression. Next, polynomial. See here, in this algebraic expression, if I do, so I will get sometimes like this also. This is also expression. This is also algebraic expression. But if you see, this can be written as x to the power of minus 2. Means degree is minus. So, in the algebraic expression, degree will be positive and degree will be negative. But if you see polynomial, every term degree must be positive. Every term degree must be positive. The positive degree of algebraic expression is called polynomial. The positive degree of each and every term in an algebraic expression is called polynomial. The positive degree of each and every term in an algebraic expression is called polynomial. Now see, this is polynomial, this is polynomial, this is polynomial, this is not polynomial. Why this is not polynomial means this is x to the power of minus 2. X to the power of minus 2 means the degree is having negative. One term is having degree negative. So it is not a polynomial. It is not a polynomial. Next. Now if you observe, so polynomial are three types. If degree 1 means the algebraic expression which is having degree 1, so a polynomial which is having degree 1, that is called linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. For example, x plus 2. X plus 2. Linear polynomial in one variable. If I write x plus y plus 7, linear polynomial in two variables. Linear polynomial 2 variables. If I write 3 times, 3 variables. X plus y plus z minus 3. Linear polynomial in 3 variables. Linear polynomial in 3 variables. Our lesson is linear equations in one variable. Now we are learning linear polynomial. So next step only we are getting our lesson understanding. Okay, now see. If degree is 2, then that is called quadratic polynomial. Then that is called quadratic polynomial. Means x square minus x minus 5. So this is called quadratic polynomial because degree is 2. Degree is 2. So the polynomial degree is 2. That's what this is called quadratic polynomial. If degree is 3, x cube minus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. This is cubic polynomial. This is a cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. Next, again it is divided into 3 types. Polynomial again it is divided into 3 types according to number of the terms. If one term only is there, if a polynomial which is having only one term, that is called monomial. That is called monomial. For example, 5x. This is monomial, only monomial. If it is having 2 terms, that is called binomial. So means 5x plus 6y. 2 terms are there. This is one term and this is one term. So this is called binomial. This is called binomial. If the polynomial is having 3 terms, that is called trinomial. That is called trinomial. So x plus 3y plus 7. This is called trinomial. Means according to terms, monomial, binomial, trinomial. According to degree, linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial and cubic polynomial. Now see. Linear equation. So linear equation means what? A linear polynomial which is having equal to 0. Which is equal to 0. Where is linear polynomial? This is a linear polynomial. See here. X plus 2 I am taking. This is linear polynomial. If it is equal to 0, then that is called linear equation. Linear equation. So this is also, if I keep here 0, this is also linear equation. If I keep 0, this is also linear equation. So this is linear equation, this is also linear equation, this is also linear equation. So that's what linear equation. Now our lesson, linear equation in one variable. So this is linear equation in one variable, this is linear equation in 2 variables, this is linear equation in 3 variables. Now we have to study about this one, linear equation in one variable. Linear equation in one variable. Now we are going to discuss about solution and properties and the remaining concepts. Next, solution of linear equation. Now see here, x minus 5 is equal to 0. solution of this linear equation in one variable. See here, for what value of x this equation is satisfying, this equation becomes satisfying, is called solution of this linear equation. For what value of x, for what value I am substituting x value, that should be satisfying, that should be satisfying. Means what? Means what? Means here in the linear equation is equal to whatever the left side is there, that is called left-handed side, which is learned in 7th class. So in the linear equation, what is the right side is there? What is the right side is there? That is right-handed side. Right-handed side means the equation is satisfying, means left side whatever the answer you are getting, the right side also the same answer you should get. Then it will be satisfied. Then it will be satisfied. For example, if I say like this, x minus 3 is equal to 7. X minus 3 is equal to 7. Or we can say 2x minus 3 is equal to x. 7 plus x. See here, in this equation, this is also linear equation. In this linear equation, the left side is 2x minus 3, that is LHS, and the right side is 7 plus x, that is RHS. So this should be satisfied for what value of x? This should be satisfied for what value of x? That is called solution of the linear equation. Now we'll see, we'll try. If I substitute 1 minus 5 is not equal to 0. This is not solution. X is equal to 1. I am taking that x is equal to 1 is not a solution. Now I am taking 2. 2 minus 5. That is not equal to 0. This is also not a solution. I am taking x is equal to, I am not getting left side and right side are both are same. So it's not a solution. X is equal to 3 I am taking. So 3 minus 5 is not equal to 0. That is also not a solution. 4 minus 5 is not equal to 0. That's also not a solution. Now you see here, I am taking x is 5. Then 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. 5 minus 5 is 0. So that is equal to 0. So 0 is equal to 0. Left side I am getting 0. Right side also I am getting 0. So these two are equal. These two are equal. These both are equal. So now we can say that, x is equal to 5 is a solution. X is equal to 5 is a solution of x minus 5 is equal to 0 equation. This is the solution. Now we'll find this for this one. We'll find. Now see here, I am taking x is equal to 10. What I am taking? X value 10. Because I know very well. That's what I have written. I will say how to find also. So see here about Bodemas rule. According to Bodemas rule, 2 tens are 20. So minus 3 is equal to 7 plus 10. So 20 minus 3 is 17. 7 plus 10, 17. See here, left-handed side I got the 17 and the right-hand side I got the 17. Means these two are equal. So left side is equal to right side. LHS is equal to RHS. Means whatever the value I have taken x value, that is 10, x is equal to 10 is the solution for this linear equation. Is the solution for this linear equation. Now you got the concept of solution of the linear equation. For what value of x the linear equation becomes satisfying is called solution of the linear equation in one variable. Is called solution of the linear equation in one variable. And if you clearly observe, how many solutions will there? How many solutions will be there for linear equation? Only one solution, unique solution. See here, x minus 5 is equal to 0 or x minus 3 is equal to 0 if I take, only 3 only will satisfy this equation. Other than 3, no value will be satisfied this equation. Means it is having unique solution. It is having unique solution. So linear equation in one variable is having unique solution or one solution. Now we'll see. Methods. So what are the methods are there for finding a linear equation in one solution, in one variable? Now see here, only 4 methods are there. 4 steps we can say. See here, for everything only I will take only one value. So 2x plus 5 is equal to 15. This is the linear equation in one variable. Linear equation in one variable. Now what are the methods means for finding the x value means this same number should be added on both sides. That is one method. Same number should be added on both sides. For example, see here x minus 2 is equal to 0. I have to find x minus 2 is equal to 0. The first, only one method is, that is adding the same number to on both sides. Adding the same number to the on the both sides. You will get the answer. See here, plus 2 I am adding both sides. Means x minus 2 plus 2 is equal to 0 plus 2. What have done? What have done? Plus 2 I am adding on both sides. Now see here, 2 minus 2 0. 2 minus 2 0. Means what will be there? X. 0 plus 2 is 2. Now I got the answer x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2. What I have done method? Adding same number on both sides. Adding same number on both sides. You will get the answer. One more thing we will say. X plus 6 is equal to 0. Subtracting same number on both sides. Subtracting same number on both sides. That is second method. See here, x plus 6 minus 6 is equal to 0 minus 6. So what I am doing? Minus 6 I am subtracting from left side, left hand side and right hand side. Now see here, 6 minus 6 0, 0 plus 6 x. So 0 minus 6 is minus 6. Now I got the answer x is equal to minus 6. X is equal to minus 6. Isn't it? Like that we can do. Now see, third method. Third method, multiplying same number other than 0. Multiplying same number other than 0 on both sides, you will get the answer. You will get the answer. So other than 0, I means if I multiply 0, so 0 into x is 0. So 6 into 0. So I don't get x value. That's what we have to say, other than 0. So multiplying same number other than 0 on both sides, you will get the answer, x value. Now see here, I am multiplying because 2 is there, so 2 should not be there. That's what I want to multiply 2 on both sides. So 2 into x by 2 is equal to 2 into 6 or 6 into 2. 2 to cancel, x is equal to 2 6 are 12. I got the answer. So multiplying on both sides with the same number other than 0, I am getting the x value. That is one method. Next, fourth method. Same. Here adding, here subtracting, here multiplying. Next, division. Next what? Division. Dividing same number other than 0. Dividing same number on both sides other than 0 is called fourth method. We will get the answer. So I am dividing both sides by 3. So 3 will get cancelled. X is equal to 3 1s are 3 5s are. So x is equal to 5 I am getting. This is one method. This is one method. So what I am doing here, adding same number on both sides, subtracting same number on both sides, multiplying same number on both sides other than 0 and dividing on both sides other than 0. These four methods are concluding only one method, that is called here transposition. Transposition means what? So what I am doing, so whatever the equation is there, that equation I am keeping same like that only, I am not doing anything. Now if I change the equation something, those are called transposition. Means what changes? So these terms I want to bring to that side, or these terms I want to bring to this side. So if you bring any term from one side to another side, that is called transposition. Transposition. So if you bring any term from one side to another side, then that is called transposition. So transport, we are transporting from one place to another place. That's enough, isn't it? Now see here, x plus 5 is equal to 15. I want x. So without these four fundamental operations, how can I do? This plus 5 transport to this side. This plus 5 transport to this side, then it will become minus 5. So plus 5 bring to that side, then it will become minus 5. So plus term bringing to that side, that will become negative term. So negative term. Now see here, I can write here x is equal to 15 minus 5. So x is equal to 10. I got the answer by transposing. Now, x minus 5 is equal to 10. X minus 5 is equal to 10. Now, I want to find the answer. Now, minus 5 bringing to that side, minus 5 transport to that side, then it will become positive. So, plus 5. Then what happen here? X is equal to 10 plus 5. That is equal to x is equal to 15. X is equal to 15. Now, one more thing. This 2x is equal to 10. This 2x is equal to 10. And also one more thing. So, x by 3 is equal to 5. This 2 is multiplying this side. If I transport this 2 to that side, it will divide. If it anything is multiplying left side, then if you transport to right side, then it is dividing. Then it is dividing. Means x is equal to 2 is dividing 10. So 10 is divided by 2. 10 is divided by 2. So 2 ones are 2 fives are. Now x is equal to 5. You can check. So 5 2s are 10. So satisfying. If anything is dividing left side, if anything is dividing left side, if you bring or if you transport to that side, then it will multiply. Then it will multiply the number. Means x is equal to 5 into 3. 5 3s are 15. So x is equal to 15. So what we have done till now, from left side to right side only we are transposing. We are transporting. Now, if I want from right side to left side, the same thing will be happen. Yes, 100% correct. The same thing will be happen. From right side, from right-handed side to left-handed side, if you transpose any positive value, then it will be negative value. From right-hand side to left-hand side, if you transport from negative value, then it will be positive value. From right-hand side to left-hand side, if you bring any multiplicative value, then it will divide in the left-hand side. So, from right-hand side to left-hand side, if any dividing time if you bring or if you transfer, then it will multiply. So same thing, vice versa. So from left side to right side or right side to left side, both are same. So same properties will be there. So vice versa it will be there. So those are the methods. Those are the methods. Next we'll see properties of equality. Till now we have completed so variable, constant, term, degree of a term, expression, degree of an expression, polynomial, linear equation, solution of linear equation, and methods. So the methods for finding linear equation solutions. Now, last topic, that is properties of equality. So equality means what? Equal to sign, equal sign. This equal sign is having three most very important properties. Those are reflexive property, symmetric property, and third one is transitive. Reflexive property and symmetric property and transitive property. So what are the reflexive property? Reflex means it should be reflect to each other. For example, if I see my face in the mirror, so I'm only reflecting the mirror. So I'm only the reflecting mirror. Means what? If you take any number or if you take any term, that will be equal to itself. That will be equal to itself. For example, I'm taking 5x. This 5x is equal to 5x. Is it right or wrong? Means what is this equal or equality is doing? The equality is doing this 5x is reflecting to itself. It is making the number reflecting to itself. So means every number or every term is equal to itself. Every number or every term is equal to itself is called reflexive property in equality. Reflexive property in equality. That is called reflexive property. Next, symmetric property. If I say a number is equal to another number, the first number is equal to another number, or the first term is equal to another term, then the second number, that means the second number is also equal to the first number. Symmetric, we know very well symmetric, in the lower classes we have learned. So symmetric means what? So an apple is there. So this apple, if I divide one line, then it will be equal to each other. Our body is symmetric. So if I draw a vertical line, so the left side and right side, whatever there is there, those are equal to each other. Those are equal to each other. So in the polynomial, if you see the polynomial, so is equal to each other. So like that. So means if the first number is equal to second number, or the first term is equal to the second term, then automatically second term is equal to the first term. Second term is equal to the first term. Then those are equal to each other. For example, in our day-to-day life, if you say in a family, two brothers are there. Two brothers are. If first one is brother to second one, then second one also brother to the first one. So only brothers. So I'm taking brothers or sisters also. If first one is a sister to second girl and second girl is sister to the first girl, so that is called symmetric property. It's a symmetric property. Don't say boy and girl. If boy is a brother to sister, then sister is not a brother to boy, isn't it? So that is failing in the boy and girl. See here, symmetry. If the first number is equal to second number, then second number is equal to the first number. That is called symmetric property in equality. So means what? This equality, what is doing? So this value is equal to this value means this value is equal to this value. That is called symmetric property. That's what. And while doing sums, if you get like this also, see 12 is equal to 2x. If you get, then what will you get? 2x is equal to 12. Then x is equal to 6. So you will write like this. Means always variable should be left side. That's what we are writing, keeping like that. So according to symmetric property. Next, transitive property. Transitive property means what? If A is equal to B and B is equal to C, A is equal to B and B is equal to C, then automatically A is equal to C. A is equal to C. This is called transitive property. Transitive property. See, this A value is equal to B and B value is equal to C. Then A is equal to C. How you get A is equal to C? According to transitive property. How you get C here? A is equal to B and B is equal to C na? Means instead of B, what can I write? C. See, I got the A is equal to C. So transitive. So from one place to another place, it is transitive. So it is transporting, it is transposing, we can say. So transporting to each other. So this is transitive property. So using this property, in one joke I will say, so it's really laughing. So very means in the class, one class is there. In the one class, one sir is teaching transitive property. So he is explaining very well. So he asked the student, anyone can say live example, in our day-to-day live example, anyone say transitive property. He asked like this. Then the student replied like this. One student, brave student, so it's a very talented student, he said like this. So A is equal to B, sir. So A is equal to B, sir. I like you, sir. Means I like you, sir. You are my favorite, sir. So I like you, sir. A is equal to B, sir. I like you, sir. B is equal to C. You like your daughter, sir. You like your daughter, sir. Then automatically A means I, B means sir, C means daughter, sir's daughter. I like you, sir. You like your daughter, sir. Automatically I like your daughter, sir. I like your daughter, sir. So everybody laughed. So just he uses his creativity. So like that. So everybody laughing in this class. Sir also. So okay, very good, very good. Say like that. So this is the transitive property. So total completed, everything is completed. About this linear equation one variable, using concept only I will give the logical bits. So write the grand test which is in the description. If you are a new student, so please join in the WhatsApp group. So in the WhatsApp group everything will be there. So grand test and notes and everything will be there in the very important problems also given. So please join in the WhatsApp group, and also ranks will be given. So before 12 o'clock if you send, if you get 20 out of 20 you will get the rank. So that is a not normal rank, all India rank. So all India rank, all are watching in our videos. So that's what you have to write your grand test. So all the best for your exam. So if you like this video, just like it. If you want anything doubts, so just comment it. If you are new person, please subscribe my channel, and please share this video to all. Thank you very much. Bye bye.
If you like this video, you just like and subscribe the channel and share this video.